Gonna drop in to double down, and maybe he said he's gonna let me keep up this time. Maybe. Main line here. All right, yeah, we can. Popping off the drop. Tight around here. Now we can go right side and up the route. Sick. Nice hop there. And I know we got a tree down ahead. I go inside. No brakes. Into try not to die on the down tree. And then you can do a drop between these two trees. Nice. Yeah, and then this setting up high. Oh, he almost went off that. Crazy, I'm gonna have to beat myself. Over the rock. I go around there and I hop that rock. Slippery. Nice hop there. It's too involved, I can't really talk. Too much thinking on the bench cut. Alright, and then we try to get up high here. And then let off the brake side of the corner. I'm gonna do the high line. Nice hop in. Through the goalpost, up around high. Bottom out. Hop nicely into this berm. Look out of it. Pumping through. Goalpost double. Inside lines. Ew. Hop to the outside. I'm getting distracted. Miles is so sick. All right, full double there. And inside on the tree. Last corner. Sick. Probably gonna be so bumpy and muddy.